Are you struggling with exorbitant property taxes? Or perhaps you're a real estate agent or entrepreneur looking for an untapped business opportunity. Your search ends here. I present to you our game-changing do-it-yourself property tax appeal course available on ClickBank. This course is your secret weapon to significantly lower your property taxes, providing a lifeline for both homeowners and businesses. We guide you through the maze of tax appeals with a precise, easy-to-follow approach, enabling you to potentially save thousands of dollars each year. But the advantages of this course extend beyond personal savings. If you're a real estate agent or entrepreneur, this course can be your golden ticket to a prosperous side business. By mastering the intricacies of property tax appeal, you can offer this invaluable service to your clientele or establish a new business venture. We leverage the benefits of a limited power of attorney, giving you the legal authority to represent clients in property tax appeals. And that's not all. Our course is a distilled, professional real estate appraisal training program that strives for maximum effectiveness. This means you're not just getting a basic course, but a comprehensive training program that ensures the highest win rate. In a nutshell, our DIY property tax appeal course doesn't just equip you with the tools to reduce property taxes. It opens doors to a scalable business model that promises great returns.
So why wait? Invest in our DIY property tax appeal course today and transform your financial future.